We're taking a quick stroll through the charming city center of Brasov, Romania. Now, many folks breeze through here on their way back from Bran or Peles, but trust us, you'd be missing out on something special if you don't stop and explore. This is just a fast walkthrough at the city center. We are just trying to give you a brief idea of how this lovely city looks. Right in the heart of the city is the Council's Square, a picturesque area adorned with traditional red-tiled low-rise houses. It's like stepping into a storybook. Don't forget to check out the Gothic Black Church, a stunning piece of history standing proudly right behind the central square. Now, let us give you a quick lowdown on Brasov. Nestled in the Carpathian Mountains, this gem boasts a population of around 250,000 people. Yep, it's got that perfect blend of historic charm and a buzzing modern vibe. And as you can see, there's no shortage of inviting cafes and restaurants to satisfy your taste buds. From local treats to international flavors, the food scene here is a culinary adventure waiting to happen. You could very well stay the night here, and then a short drive takes you to the legendary Bran Castle, famously associated with Dracula. It's perched high on a hill, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. A must-visit for history buffs and vampire enthusiasts alike. Naturally, you will also be closer to Peles Castle and avoid the traffic jams from Bucharest. You can check our video guides for these castles via the link in the profile. So don't be one of those who skip Brasov on the way back. Linger a while, soak in the atmosphere, and make memories in this Romanian jewel. It takes detailed planning and a long time to shoot, edit, and create this content. If our videos help you in your travels, please remember to like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and keep watching them. It will help us grow Bestravelvideo and constantly evolve, providing you with even better content.